All right, so the last theorem that we have here, it says, if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, right, so quadrilateral is four-sided figure, and if it's inscribed, so we talked about that earlier in the year, inscribed means it's inside and all four of the corners of the quadrilateral are touching the edge of the circle. Then its opposite angles are supplementary, and supplementary meant 180. Okay, so what that tells us then is you can see we have quadrilateral KLMN, right, inside of there. So these two angles are opposite each other. Those are going to add up to 180. So like if this angle right here is 100 degrees, then this one would be 80 degrees. Okay, and then these two are opposite each other, so those two would add up to 180. So if this one is 120, then this one would be 60. Okay, so the opposite angles have to add up to 180. So like on this picture over here, I know that this one is 100, so over here this one would be 80. Okay, and I know that that one is 96, so then angle C would have to be 84. Okay, now finding those missing arcs there is a little bit tricky, but what we need to do is, let's see here, I'm going to find arc A first. So arc A is right here. Well, if I highlight my 100 degree angle, that would be an inscribed angle, right? The vertex is on the edge of the circle. So the intercepted arc then would be right here. It's a big one. Starts here, goes all the way around to here. So if the angle is 100, the intercepted arc would be double because that's what we do for inscribed angles. So if this big angle is 200, I've already used 99 over on that piece of the arc, then that means arc A would have to be 101. Okay. All right, then finding arc B. Okay, what we could do on that one is we could highlight, let's see, let's get another color here, we'll do orange. Let's highlight the 84 degree angle. So if I do that, okay, so 84 is my inscribed angle. So then that means this arc would have to be double 84. So 84 doubled is 168. And from this spot here to here was 101, and we want to know what B is. So if I know the whole thing is 168 and that part's 101, then this would have to be, what, 67? Okay, so those are a little bit tricky. You'll have one like that on your homework. This one down here, all it's saying is that again, the angles across from each other, right, those two would have to add up to 180. So over here, I would say 12y plus 6 plus 11y plus 13. Those two have to add up to 180. And then I would go ahead and do my algebra. Same thing is true for these two, right? They're angles opposite each other. So those would have to add up to 180 as well. All right, so my equation for that one would be 5x plus 2 plus, so 5x plus 2 is that corner, plus 8x minus 17 equals 180. Okay, and then again, we do the algebra and find out what x is. All right, so make sure, if you get the wrong answer, make sure that you are sending me your work so I can just see if it was just an algebra issue. If I can see the correct equation, I'll give you the full points. You know, obviously I want you to try and get the answers, and I'll make sure that my answers are whole numbers as well. All right, good luck.